What's up guys? Andito na naman kami ng aking friends na si Sadiq
and
Sorjet.
and the one have another day now today.
Kakasundo niya lang din sa akin at may kasabay pa kaming isa. Say hi!
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. What's your name? Your name.
Name, Omar.
Omar, okay.
Omar.
Nice to meet you, Omar.
I am from Yemen.
Yeah.
Wow.
Galing din sa Bata kasi sinundo ako ni Sadiq. Ngayon, yung friend niya is sumabay na rin kasi same place lang kami nang uuwian.
Thank you.
Yan. At kami ngayon ay maghahanap din ng mga kainan. Right? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
I want to buy a shawarma and do you remember that tea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First he's
Okay.
dropped then
Okay. Nagugutom na ako eh. Galing kami sa duty.
and
Drink.
yeah, we will have it. We will buy outside.
Bata.
Yeah.
Medyo traffic eh, no? Yan. Tapos pauwi na kami yan. Tapos maya ay bibili kami ng pagkain namin. Bye-bye!